Gary from Van Vleck, Texas, has a question about dome dehumidification.
Wait till
it's
you
a lot
see
of big
this.
words.
He is, and he is living in this monolithic dome.
Okay.
Isn't that cool?
Sure, yeah.
I think it's an interesting kind of house. I'm guessing, Gary,
Imagine a whole neighborhood of them.
When you give directions on people how to find your house, I'll bet you it's pretty easy. It's cool looking. Anyway, the shell is made out of gunite with a membrane outer cover, he says. And he wants to know, what do you think his dehumidifier should be set at? You know, with it set about 35%, the AC seems to run a long time. And he's wondering maybe he should adjust it up or maybe risk just a little sweat in there. What say you?
Houston, 55% is what we achieve with our air conditioning systems.
Okay.
You go to upstate New York, they'll be down into 18% where you have to run humidifiers as opposed to dehumidifiers.
Right. People look so old up there.
Yeah,
dried out.
But it's just here, you're going to reach 50, 55. If you're trying to keep it at 35, everything's going to run too long.
Mm-hmm. And it's probably going to cause a lot of sweat on the windows and stuff like that, I imagine, when that cold air hits.
Yeah, I mean, you got issues that'll happen on the outside. Inside, it'll be fine, but he's paying a lot of money for going lower than he needs to.
Okay, so about 55% is
yeah.
what your target for the humidity is.
Yes.
All right. And your target, if you need some help, can be defined by sending us questions at HomeShowRadio.com. You can see other videos we've done over here and subscribe to our channel down there.